So just to give you an overview of this screen, ChatGPT has added some additional options based on the user's requirement. So what on the left side, which is the black panel, ChatGPT on the top is the standard GPT. And if you want to look at the different options, then you press this explore button and it will show you these options on the main screen. So it starts with DALL-E. DALL-E is basically the version which is mainly used for images and pictures. Data analysis is for, as obvious, is for data analysis. Then you have the ChatGPT Classic, which is standard. Santa is for some fun. Web browser is for the tasks which require some researching on the internet or web. Then we have game time for games, of course, and then negotiator to help with some good negotiation skills or contents. And what at the bottom is creative writing coach. So what you could do based on your requirement, rather than going to the generic ChatGPT, which is ChatGPT Classic, you can pick and choose the specialized version. And I'm going to try DALL-E to see if it could create some graphics for some visualization of the financial results. So let me first add the financials. So I have some PDF files which include some financial results for the Apple Incorporated. So let me just upload this first. It's uploading. And let me ask this, analyze the attached financials and provide visual graphics to explain the results. Let's see how does it respond. So it's trying to read, searching my knowledge, and it's giving me the analysis item by item, say net sales, cost of sales, operating margin, cash flow. Then it's showing me some tips for the infographics, bar, line charts, graphics, again, graphics too. So it's giving me a list of the graphics which could be prepared from that. And now it's saying that I would now proceed, create these visuals. Let's see what comes up. So it's creating image, takes a little longer. Okay, now it shows some images. They look quite complex and congested. So it is still creating some more images, and there are more images. So clearly there are pie charts, bar charts, but again, it looks very noisy and complicated and congested. So one beauty of the ChatGPT is you can go back again and ask it to make things a little better or improved. Let me ask it, make these graphics simpler and separate from each other. Let's see how does it respond. It's creating image again. It's now showing, yeah, now it's showing me the graphics separately and it looks good. Let it finish its job. So there are more graphics, yeah. It's using some good visuals, showing the numbers and charts in the image of an apple, because this is related to the Apple Incorporated, more charts and graphs, and also giving some commentary. So this is pretty good feature. You could keep going back to ChatGPT, in this case, DALL-E, and ask to improve the charts and graphs it is producing. So it has the basic ability to read the numbers, financials, and translate them into text analysis. And from the text analysis, it could create some bar and chart. And as I said, that this is not the final output. You can keep going back and asking for more improvement and better production of the graphics or charts or visuals as you want it. I hope this would be helpful. Again, just a reminder, in this case, to get the visuals, use DALL-E, not the ChatGPT Classic.